Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes.
In this video, we will discuss what impulse momentum principle says. But before that, let us understand the basic definitions of impulse and momentum. By definition, impulse is the effect of force over a given time period. And the definition of momentum is, it is the quantity of motion. Now let us look into what impulse momentum principle is. Let me suppose that there is a force F acting on a particle. And let the particle is having mass m. And a is the acceleration of the particle which is produced because of F. We know that by Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to mass into acceleration. Now I will write acceleration as dv by dt, where v is the velocity and t is the time. So velocity differentiated with respect to time is a. Now I will further write it as f dt is equal to m dv. So I have taken dt onto the other side, onto the left hand side. Now integrating on both sides, I have integral t1 to t2 f dt is equal to integral v1 to v2 m dv, where t1 and t2 are the starting and ending times and v1 and v2 are the initial and final velocities of the particle. Now the left hand side term, if we consider, it is integral f dt t1 to t2. So that is called impulse. So integral t1 to t2 f dt is called impulse. Now if you recall the definition of impulse, it is the effect of force over a given period, given time period, that is F multiplied by the time period. And its units are F multiplied by time period, hence it is it is having units Newton second. So integral t1 to t2 f dt is called impulse, and on the right hand side we have the term integral v1 to v2 m dv. So this is nothing but the momentum, which is the product of mass and velocity. So the velocity is changing from v1 to v2. That means the momentum is changing from mv2 and mv1. So this is nothing but the change in momentum. And the right hand side I am writing here integral v1 to v2 m dv is the change in momentum. Because the velocity is changing from initial to final position, we have the momentum also got changed. Now by impulse momentum principle, impulse is equal to change in momentum, because on the left hand side we have impulse and on the right hand side we have change in momentum. So according to impulse momentum principle, impulse is equal to change in momentum. Now we will see what principle of conservation of momentum says. According to principle of conservation of momentum, change in momentum is equal to 0. Therefore, what is change in momentum? It is final momentum minus initial momentum. So final minus initial momentum is equal to 0. Therefore, according to principle of conservation of momentum, final momentum is equal to initial momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this video was of help to you, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.